matshwenyeho re hapeletsa ke mathata re hapeletsa ke tlala oh rio ripo oh matshwenyeho ba le setseng rapelang fela rio ripo ta mathata salina fela ke thapelo rio ripo ta mathata salina rapelang fela ria sione hapeletsa ke matshwenyeho oh
and then other pencil ya mo ache Edoba CTech Agri TV show so we was it that one nya we say ono so gina mu ma peaceful nature also by why don't we compare the two?
Comparing the two no ye call court mahama so say court can so the adwuma
what the adwuma
say yetimamo peacefully wa who say wa ko organize some hooligan say omunko attack obi one year adi ase
okay
say 2012 akufazo one jin tum but court na kanti mahama so yanje antum but court
no so aka okay
adi ase but there's no way you can compare 2020 election to 2012
Samum.
yes
but we yanka
ye ko 2012 election ni one say ya ko shutu nipa ba ko ewu what you gonna say ya ko shutu obi police station ya ko obi
oh go ne
no is a question
but what say couple
uti here
man TV bizarre
uti here say 2016 ya ko shutu obi obi akọ ya ko bu obi etu akunu police station
o de call him
good and say umre so nipa baku 8 awu who see what conduct a credible election credible under my foot
now electoral commission is not security apparatus no mo dey boat wo no obi so be analogy no
obi analogy say your police station now who controls the police station is not electoral commission.
The electoral commission
they give orders ask to the police asking what to do.
Okay
what you say amu no mu yese mu fan protect here so he cannot run away from those things.
Okay yankwe
what you say onu opa say bring the fourth republic onu Jane Mensa do ko Mensa onu na wa conduct credible
yes
and your party say why Jumasi Afarijan
eno de
why Jumasi Charlotte say
eno de say na onu na e kan asem eno
why do you praise yourself let somebody praise you
and as
wo mu say engineer kan fo ne hunda
me twen na mo praise me asem ya be praise me
oh
to me
the praises are symbolic praises. The praises no symbolic.
Oh okay.
Yes.
Yankwe.
Oh serious yes. And yes ana me sana Ghana for.
No.
Because ye ko election no say no onu Jane Aduko Mensa ni ba bi na yakobo de tu anka. Obaka is credible. Before 2020 election ye ko ye ba election I also was ye hu de see here. Almost rehearsal for 2020 election. Onyo no conduct I also was welcome by election.
Yes, but that
was credible.
That was a time we wanted to be tested.
And you yes, and you are credible. Ah yes, it's a party for broad daylight. Almost say max. Almost boy to say mosquito. Say mosquito. And you know almost say max. I don't know electoral commission team no dey almost say max ni bi. And now the other material movement no almost any pa. Ah say mosquito wu omo a yare. We don't live in Banana Republic.
Exactly.
Anything I miss so I see that beyond from
John Mama. Okay.
What I say? And that's any bossman Asari no.
Yeah, bossman.
Maybe no can say NDC is a threat to Ghana's democracy.
Tommy, we linguistically no. Me pacho you. Okay say. One ne bossman Asari no. Linguistically no. Enye kasa papa. Now it is more or less insinuation. It would be one bossman Asari. Naka one.
Officer mo nim dia bia masi obia na twekasa onu kasa se ade na mama president on fa evidence akondani almost say police here they on go investigate mama
yes they should go and investigate
na 1 million yanti amount for mu complete ballot boxes ballot papers omunya wo hi o ya credible ka beka say eno no mu na onu boxman ni Jane Mensa Adukwe onu na say omu report omu to Ghana police say interrogate omu say sa ballot papers no omu aye complete achi no o free hifa NDC na ko print ballot papers na tom print ana they are in charge of ballot printing say enti akochi obi a onu boss Masari any J Mensa adukwe say omo e serious they have to present themselves to the police for interrogation. What I say then you no baka say you interrogate His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Tommy, you get my name Musa wa DABC. I went to every baby our post now. Political parties, any electoral commission, minka commission and no commission. Tommy, let's assume this way, say NDC. What I'm saying is assuming, say NDC more basobe 2024 na Jane Adukwe Mensa ewoswa. As at that time, Mama Bemunu Jane Adukwe Mensa so no dia mube presi Jane Adukwe Mensa as electoral commissioner. Oh, and I never am appointing international you tell every
don't Mamika Mitchell. NDC. Yeah, democracy as here. Pa. Coming make be at pa.
But Mumu social democracy, we must see a pure.
Enye ye ora Mahama edi we buy Salatose buy. Tama Salatose declare we Nanado as a president 2016 no. Ye can be say any you are better than we declare no. Ye can OTBB sa o mem. One issue. Good. That tells you how Democrats NDC as a party is.
Oh, okay.
What you see?
What you say?
And Quebec say ye ni buy. Can you say my demand? But before J Mensa Adukwe Mensa beba no. Kennedy Japan. Or see a bayi Charlotte said.
Charlotte say.
And omo yini dey apa.
Before that
and omo di J Mensa buy. Nsemo omo kika ye. Time person make of it.
I know there yes.
What you see? And ya nim say. Omo di obi buy na be ye omo gimmicks emom.
I see.
Yenya ntiasia say Ewura Akufo-Addo ni yire ni busuane ni J Mensa
Adukwe Mensa.
So a family affair no more practice omo ye. What you say? But 2024 na me be kasa.
I see.
Sisi anu kire o memu. Say enye ndi sifo nka no mo kire omo. So obi a
yeah.
Good. And sisi 2024 no do a we sure sitinapa na wa bia to ababa. O mampani dada Akufo no kan ye. Because every omo come primaries no. Kofo Krasi. Omo yi obi a oba unite MPP as Africa party.
I know the omo penila da Kofo e kan.
Today what are we seeing within MPP?
Me the baako kra kan was omo enyi obi a omo hwehwe no ombehu no.
Yes.
But I don't know say it was idiomatic expression.
Thank you.
I know the mask.
Nanado dan Akufo-Addo ni chocho michoko Kofi Kumsin. Or see if Akufo-Addo become a president, I Kofi Kumsin cannot sleep with the two eyes closed. Today what are we seeing? Nancy information be about say Nanado your president the Slim Queen be alright the Slim Queen be about yes the Slim Queen be about just say you see your second lady deputy second lady the send me about one thing Tibrepano me the news ember
Mati
I just say na yeti memo ni bibi niema ko se sia ye coin yeti memo na bedwa nenum yeti sikeso akomde ye montoma me monso mo hwe
e da so de ye
ene akomde ndi ye ku amanfo jo mama breso what is say 12 year boy wa akoko bi say sakawada ene de ekoso before beba no see but Egypt obi onya Egypt o see opokan to bidin 23 year boy we were university
I think it's Tunisia
Nanado country say Tunisia 23 year boy we were university onye jumanti or the Petra Congo yes akoshe ne ho ba me ba esan say nyama koyenti ba me ba ma bibia pepepe John Bwedu country say Nanado de nyama hihye akwan mu na MPP ba ben mu a ye be krama no ni fo ma ba ye dwuma Ghana and almost the first slip no so ya ma we every say knock of one more
okay
there dey go so mem fitita ma Nanado ba di ade yi omo ama university ni papodo don say no manya dwuma ye
okay
there John Bwedu si o ma fa na ni be krama fa no na ba ye dwuma no omo aba me do say na aba
but Tommy forgive me for this interjection all this one but me person ya hwe for omo ya omo follow say who can you can say university graduate and as a graduate unemployment there nobody can vividly say about we since time
that is not my point. What I'm saying is this: they promise heaven that they come, they will settle them all, and even to the extent of importing people to come and work in this country. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
So I'm saying my point is,
you are saying that based on the way
they said it. John Body cannot deny this.
Okay.
You understand? He said they are going to make sure this graduate unemployment will be the thing of the past.
Okay.
To the extent of employing people, importing people to come and work in this country. So my question is, have they fulfilled the graduate unemployment to the extent of importing people to come and work in this country?
Yeah, bre.
Okay. Enumudwa, enya na na mamwo. Enumudwa no, me yese no. But me say ono na the best economy. Akofo Rosidi Baumia Ghana Nyansani na hye ni team. Ene de na ekoso. A opani wo ko Cape Coast ko shop boss obesi habo mom. Yeah, be sawa. We see one kasa.
Yeah, be back musical promises of political parties so as a topic today na botre na intima mame enya en conclude the say so far so good no there. Electoral Commission menka commission but electoral commission mra omo ko hia ye no wo mo climax that kind of meeting ni nyina say these were some of the issues were and so say 2020 elections was the most credible elections.
2020 elections is the most shambolic election Ghana has ever practiced.
Hey,
I'm telling you. Ghana 2020 is the most shambolic election Ghana has ever had.
I see.
Guinea cry ye kui, Mama de Koye kui, Nipa Baku, what is any Babaku?
That was Guinea coup d'etat. Yeah.
Guinea cry coup d'etat to President Yankuni Babaku. I was a credible election, Nipa Baku Etewu. Ye Kotia Joas, they are criminals. MP no ko we about paper no dey yantimi anka so a criminal.
Boni
Carlos Ayinkra. Oko we about paper camera dan so no cry anka so a criminal.
Who we paper are appointing.
What appointing?
Say it as it is.
Yes.
You don't fear.
MP ko the nisa ko bo about paper must dey dwane here. Ya chiri ne ponchi. Or the shadow yes. Onu kwa jo was intimi anka so a criminal. No be akogina police say o hwa de ka ya bon ne tuaku na. Yes he a criminal.
Okay.
Who's why you ten say Una wa conducted the most credible elections. Okay. Shambolic election.
Very good. Ejina Samre there and American said divergence of views. Samre there Tommy Thompson was say ono there Mami James Lebediano Jane Adukwe Mensa say Mama James account. Was say Samre there say credible there Tommy Thompson there was say American to pay. Men na kai play phone. Was say enya sakra na mo anti-clockwise direction.
Now onu kwa wa cause financial loss to the state too.
Hey, Jemensa
cause financial loss.
One of the yards you use here back on say in terms of finance no, one only 2020 and we are making a casting cost down.
It's never true. Let me tell you. Before the main election, you acquired new voter ID card. Omo your registration.
Yeah, I'm aware.
After that registration,
ID card.
And this so it's not financial loss to the state.
Causing woefully financial loss
to the state. That's what I'm saying.
So
on to me, Jina baby can say, or no, I cut it down cost.
Okay, Mate.
How many months are
I know one said, Menocrat and Namaha, and no one said, you can't na. Sabio obi woni bibi dada na sakatua ban kwara ye kwa assistant mam ye see atiaka from near the court room which is simply unlogical and nonsensical yanko ya nim what is the anya no enye echina ese ye ka ye pemu ne ye kana ne benya well Tommy yanko before say be kono I say CTech Agri TV show so was the CTech show 1 in a million and as time there when igusu are all over the world and until ubetim the comments suggestion contribution ubetim the about me after live studio has a here 02 444554142 abroche for +233 2444 ude is unim dada we know the rules of engagement +233 2444554142 how the ebra no intimidation no pressure and of course no vindictiveness can asem no na yenka ba issue no not personalities and mpo de o de ba yenkan once we nim say onya de mpa wonso beye ya sabre honorable Tommy Thompson ewo aha say if you am say ya ye no ebobo nsem a edi candidate ewo amagana mu na onso betime de wonso de aba in the form of WhatsApp and other form of social media handles now they are by na jimre ni akenkan na ma Tommy Young next salient issues are a person and also young can want some kakra. One, whimsical promises from all political parties across board. Many two parties be any anymore. NDC, we are victim of the situation. MPP, victim of the situation. Ma'am, Donko Party, UGM. I feel boom, I am victim of the situation. For me, but yes, Obofuan and the end number a pass MPP for the Naba. Momos with the mama promise me the ama to me. And we say, crown or Dabba, Quaybecca, you know. Mugri book much Moyama, Coco Growing Center, Cramo de Medina, Beshemudi, and not just a political party, more higher. But yo, my penny, and also a not said also quack or da a 1 more to another, what is one region from one region to another. It's a manico more central region. Now, may I say, I'm a person, sir, anger has say on that particular issue, you know. My penny one advice, His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Now, that kind of promise, yet, my penny, His Excellency Nana Komai. And one, you know, his vice, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. But I said, I mean, who say, political party as MPP, media as a referee or neutral person, but me say the and yet one communication strategies, MPP, they should back up M1 media whether MPP member is here or not, may come as M1 because I heard betting with the Marco baby for. The entire mamma can win say me busa am not daughter about me ko make that kind of promise no communicators no and I say young fan say protocol na e di na ti ko ye no wo mo ba ye no did they report back to president so ye ko ye say ye ko kan ho me ka be sia say me zun time me free that angle no and I mean national no the person me kan na say political parties and then na mo make promises na a true set accountability and probity never pay. Must say it was just a political talk. I feel a pamochao apology and then one year the other. At the end, because Miss Busa wait, I said we are also speaking for the NDC as a political party. And then I said Moody and Huangro in terms of giving out promises during campaign time when you had these opportunities.
Don't go into. I vehemently disagree with you.
Why didn't know better?
But say, Enye Nanado the president no can buy any vice ne can.
Okay. We bet me I disagree to that.
Yes. In the sense that Tama Bawumia the vice president and can numasem our Cape Coast ne shebono. Na ye man Penny Akufo-Addo Otihubi.
But he wasn't the one who made that
I'm coming.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah, Nanado, the president, came promise Otihubi. Seeing came promise no country say Ghana Nyansani now about Omian team. And it's so Tiho Nabo Miaka. He's talking for him.
Okay.
Moreover,
logically.
Moreover, before they get there, MPP have their manifesto. And they are telling the people of Cape Coast what they will do for them. And what they are telling them they have in their manifesto.
Page 66.
Yes, page 160.
160 rather.
That particular
okay,
is in 160
very good.
Of MPP manifesto.
Okay.
So before they moved from the Jubilee House in Cape Coast, they have documented everything in their manifesto.
Okay.
And the president cannot tell me say he's not aware.
Okay.
So if you are sitting there and your spokesperson who have all the knowledge in his head is telling the people that they are coming to do ABCD for them.
I said specifically Habo. Meanwhile we have Takrade.
Yes.
Second D1 2 there. Okay.
And you happen to be there. You did not correct him that no, don't say that. You quiet. Already what my Aswati say, Nyansani na wo vice interim. And it's Okasa ma. Now what you have? Why a dean? One do bosh any so. Mama, a call thank you to. Baby, be a no denichi.
Oh, ni na chi. Oh, mi ni na chi.
Mama ko Kumasi. Okobono, okoye. Baby bi Cape Coast, okoye.
Now it all boils down to thank you, Tom.
But I'm giving you evidence and facts.
Yankwe.
What you say? Wa ko do ho. Nana wo share boss say. Mankasa.
Okay.
Open here the draw. Open you wadi draw. Empata. What you say? To me no. Ta man ka omo bisa ne sa portion asem no. So to me no anka say oye de oka say okay. May man no wa ko any research say mi kan na yanka ya na. Ye kan ya na yanka.
Okay. Enti me bo mami inside internet wa enti somebody of his caliber no. Na said the worker says here. In fact logically we be can say excuse me we the TF4 bunch say we be can say we did throw.
We didn't throw.
Enti eno no. And we be timi aka say scandalous
yes.
Scandalous.
Yes.
Sure. And
this is not the first time. Unim dating have a promise no. Shabo on this.
Na boshe de awore kan wase mu wi na me so me wo
la general hospital. Omo ko dure de ni gu e so mbesi foforo. Yeah, nominate omo nominee no mo call parliament yeah veti no.
Yeah.
Dr. Kobo say, oh, you do roofing level. That particular large job.
Yeah, feasible. No,
I'm telling you.
Okay.
As we speak now, 1 inch block, one solid block, I am planning for. Our large general hospital.
Okay.
And there's a minister to me didn't trust here. It's part and parcel of them. How do I say? It's part and parcel of MPP government. Who can say maybe almost boss one district one dam. But me actually district do $1
million.
One district $1 million. One district one constituency one factory. Factory do one ben. In how many constituencies you bet me people to say was a factory wa $1 million per constituency we in the 5th year.
Exactly.
Ko yo say constituency no do say no munya omusika. Nana do catch say within the first year 350 classroom block. Dodo say no was. How do I say? Can promise.
Okay.
Ne boshe no. Na odi omuchia.
Me dem nim second promise a musician.
Ba wa fata theater wa GF musician so.
Mate.
Ye man pani aji boshe no. We tate no from musician so. What do I say?
Mate.
Na so ahunchire o man mu. COVID ye na ye see your COVID era. Ye tate ye built. Sure, salary increment ayama o mampeni 77%. 78%.
70 say because we would any 4%. Other we need
civil servants are almost share one more year juma. Be more than 30 years, 20 years, 40 years. We can increment your salary 4%. Ah, almost your task. But where won't your task crime 78%. Afi, we are you tell no what track. Why are you tell no one for a sick rented jets? Yeah, can you see? So tonight jet in the morning to be stretching in 9. Masa, many would high. Yeah, presidential jet in the Amal Liberia president or the Koba. But yeah, maybe. Yeah, president Nanado Dankwa Kufan or need George upon via Liberia president. Yeah, never. Ah, so tonight no.
George upon via will be him so a giant. And to add that, and Abiao, yeah, President Nanado, Nina was seeing. Upon we are na would be any say or the now one now then no more and trust I don't know much and trust another salient factor so is a pair what the defense minister Dominic will kind say for security reasons and yet more for security reasons upon you use a presidential jet son on battery I'm an only for Robert May you see a presidential jet I be kukusika 1 hour only sika do much for jet empower Jeta jacuzzi bath wom. Ye kokan, ye see say on shower so ko program say on shower jet. And in another shower, our coffee planner. On to meet na play within the time frame of 6 hours 7 hours. On to me shower. Ah, come equal amount for Ghana. The comfortability
and the expense of taxpayers' money.
And also me answer.
Look at the crisis we are having in country Ghana. Masa Maybe me can say NPP led by Akufo-Addo. omo de Ghana to autopilot so ene na eda hoy
it is Ghana eda
autopilot so
the pilot on the more answer take off and land them.
Yes,
I see. Okay.
Is your car near reverse gear? The ship is sinking. This is a maybe a chemu. Yet the cocoa ship. Yes, your cocoa ship coconut sinking.
Ship no dear. Ship and you could be back cocoa.
It's like history is repeating itself.
Oh, okay.
As I say, Auntie Ghana for Monsieur Ye. Na baby a Ghana, okay. Your mom pie.
Your mom pie. Your mom
pie. Maybe Mamma can say, a mambo no, and yes, Obakasa be met me as you. It is a football. Uti touch la no be bobola. Or bono of Fapo and Javakas, what bomb in Manka Marche. And then one organize you, the Ghana Sika, as I'm saying, you go to the bottom Sika, the taxpayers' money. But you see, I know, we got cabo, Nasani Pano come home. Tell my best Sika, no cost you as a man back, and your Muchi, a kicker, some and then,
okay, all right.
Then I see.
All right, Samre, I have 4 Yamrano, I be, and can somebody walk up and Samre, you better last topic, Penny, the Lucia, you better was Honorable Tommy Thompson, Director of Communications, IRA Central, NDC, National Democratic Congress, Assembly member, so at the same time, or double as Assembly member for Kutubabi Letra area, and a lady or Barbara and also no, and somebody candidate here or Amagan and Mu Tuna Stania Basa, Utimi, they will comments, now also what they about Utimi Fresh, you may be in so, now also what you're wagging one, someone. Yeah, okay. Tommy, we're near we about my main way just about 2 minutes enough a young climax in the Jumedino, that for bar, near twice every baby at the basin. Dear, I say, I hear most Ghanaians, no, I hire near Teti Boy. During NDC's era or regime, no, I think the latter part of it said Mube J. Muama NPP as a government, a political party before me government, no. Tommy Diana and him said NDC as a party who was in government then got $45 million from Exim Bank. Nana Yasabi, original any body, Tommy Thompson, on I was Central Communication Officer, Bejiwi, Debbie, Muancheni. Nemo Mode adventure into profitable a year that bois or memuni na mekana mekakwa kusi Commander Sugar Factory. More revamp isolate machines and there were I'm one in my no. Yet anyway, and oh, near Medwana be who said politicians, no. I thought that said you would be betting me at the trial by feasible things, no, what mean the water because I do be at the yes, $45 million from Exim Bank. What the bay vampire we Tommy. There can not many abrasive himself promises are political parties, modern money at the adeno. War MPP, one more also frappa, one more during their campaign. Oh, yeah, boss, I made the Fofia and Twatter. NDC is gone out of the governance, no. It's the area, but your papa, Commander Sugar Factory, you've been making sure, say, it will be in its operation. Tommy, 5 years down the line, $45 million Exim Bank. Friend say a year kwaji e bosi e kwaji ye no eno se ya di we na be revamp ni so yentimi produce 1 margarine and 1 cup of sugar. What is going on in Africa, for that matter, me my Ghana politicians?
Don media uka politicians na waka semba that is not the nature of the
Tommy Munina
Don Mamika Mitchell John Dramani Mahama His Excellency Papa no Nyamine say nda nyamia say wa maye bi ti say John Dramani Mahama oh sir Exim Bank loan any factory Commander Sugar Factory asemi MPP for no magu sa commercial commander Sugar Factory MPP for no magu
adenti
yes me kasaba Nancy Nanado kokasa John Mama I say wa kwai roof na sa be ye foundation now I'm so surprised and highly flabbergasted say a city president bet me be na no akasasa John Mama economics o ana onya third class economics say bi mu
And for it.
Oh yes, oh almost your home or Bambi. A third class one or home.
Yanko.
Done. On serious note, they are third class within them. Playing.
Oh, they are not.
And they are no match to Mahama when it comes to economics. But no crowd won't join and say me say.
Mati.
Yeti hey. Ubesi a danyas foundation obesi answer. Anzim bank is sika sami bay. And your machines they equipping the modisi ho.
Exactly.
Any ho. And then new cost commander. Yeah,
because it's visible to be a bit
good. After doing all that, 4 years to attend the MP NDC call.
Yeah.
There's another loan agreement at $25 million. I say in Kochi. Nemfandria
sugar cane. Na
entiminya raw material fa ayewe. Onu say machine no ye twitwa sugar cane free another farms. Try machines no. Enya sugar. Onu say the last product say anka bibia koye ni enye sugar. The last product from the sugar is molasses.
Yeah, molasses.
The molasses yeah. That no communication director Wabina someone. Ekoka say sa factory no molasses pen e produce. I'm say o trebi nti on me say molasses na dwuni na da molasses. No, don't. I'm serious. Oh, na dwuni na da molasses so say apatesi na ebe ye na obenum. Nti okoka sa oh yes. Because so unim ejuma machine be dia anka won ka say molasses for na produce e be produce sa $24 million e wo ho no ye fi abam no omo koji anka mo de be dua hwedwe no okay na dia aye sugar cane man koji na mahama asi factory no enye se enumdwa na mo adwa omonum se ye be se e na Ghana for ji omudi anka mahama also anka 45 million ni 25 in the end also. Then simple say Bekokoji because agreement no order. And the new government will better take over. Government is continuous.
Oh yes, only.
And the uko now the agreement we no ko omo de be ma. Yours is to plant the sugar cane and also employ people. But so do you know? On me juma man for banya wo ho aye.
Yeah. To create
yes
employment.
It to create employment on juma do and man for number of people banya juma wo ho no aye. Thousands of people wo banya juma ho aye. And now my company no who sorry Mahama Koye Patas or Bear Foundation. How can a president talk like that?
Okay.
And see a banner say, yeah, dear. Asubonian farmer MPP led by President Akufo-Addo. We are the economists. We are the best management economy. Now, where put your cook be to Hamamu? Want to me and yes, we all.
But I don't know the Amis make a be emphatic. Be so when you say, fine, government is in a continuation for more. But when you say a being so also by a financial aspect now what as in Bangay, a being so almost where whom officers be woman be on person correct.
Master said more offenses they should bring us for people to see. Mama Fia Bemo by almost cocoa growing areas, the road contract, Mama, the contract, they are inflated figures. They are the $10 million at the same investigation. And then report when on Monday about say, Yahoo say, nothing to show. Okay. And they say, almost you say, baby, they should come off the report and figures. And the fact for us to see, say, the Obuko and there's malfeasance in the contracts.
Very well.
There's nothing like malfeasance there.
Okay.
But due to their laziness, it's the most laziest government Ghana has ever had. An MPP administration led by Nana Addo Akufo-Addo.
And being said by Tommy Thompson.
And it's fact. It's a fact and record. It's the fact.
Very good. Very good. Okay, Tommy. And some of the Americans say, some will go Amagan and the 365 days in the crown, a yentimi, a dozen. Then so a million said also bet me a coffee, I quite me my quiet, my coffee, I quiet you, man, Abua or my Ghana, some no. And they are the net, come on, Bessie has say. Now, a da, now maybe be a quan wasab, and we take it from where we left it now here. Now, Nansan, I will call Patch nothing, said the end, the piano. One would this crack in the form of advice, anything that you need to bring on board. They safeguard your mind, Ghana.
Thank you. Mechia, I also central NDC for and Ghana for NDC sympathizers and well wishers of the country Ghana. They should really rally behind John Dramani Mahama coming 2024. Okay. Since NDC as a party, we are seriously reorganizing our branches, the water constituency. Okay. And to be a fan of Hunjum, Jumadin. Na yenji amambo free MPP for come 2024. Nancy amu ko ye mu program ana director of director at the Jubilee House, Lord Comey. See, they won't give power to NDC. And as I said, the boss, Nana do down Kwasu say he will handle over power to NPP government. And he say, when I make say, when it comes to democracy, NDC stand tall NPP.
Taller than NPP.
Yes,
okay.
Because yeah, na crap out too. But Ghana for Chiro Maju 2016, no, yeah, NPP. John Mama J without any problem. Na amamo na enko ye, mo se chinchan, mo 1 year kra mo ntumi anwie. Man bane October.
Yeah, October
December
is almost getting to an end.
This yanwie 1 year. Promise bebre mo mama anya hwe. Mo ko bie ma na mo nje power. And to say Ghana for 2 about year mo ka say mo nje mu. All the rest of America tell say they use the military to suppress the will of the people to take some of the seats. Okay. This is what happened because they first said they empower. So they use the military. You saw what happened in Parliament when they were trying to suppress our people there with the military. You understand?
Okay, Tommy, first mine.
This can only happen in the Banana Republic. Now say Sudan so acquire coup d'etat. Sudan I coup d'etat.
Yeah, Sudan, yeah.
Mali DSC no, Guinea DSC no. Say your man penny as ECOWAS president call hon. What I say, they no mo catch no. Who was ECOWAS president? Omo dan the constitution one country and strong. Yeah, they all say yes. Yeah.
Okay,
it's a disgrace.
That was a statement from Mama Dumbuya.
Yes. And you think that the SC war, Sudan CC so some company ECOWAS president on Betien. They are your colleagues.
All right.
And then you see a Juma look at the ages of your Safamarf when co. Look at the position they are holding. Mana Yajumaye. Amu Banoma accusing Mahama said Mama is practicing families and friends. Today going to go and do your search and see say Akufo-Addo Nebuchadnezzar for Ahinowa Memo.
All right.
Compared to Mahama. Almost Mahama is running a large governance. The ministers, the number is too much. Compare Mahama regime, the number of ministers and Akufo-Addo's number today.
Governments. Okay.
You understand?
But I say, Tommy.